Hello everyone, I'm Ishanth.
I'm Samiir. And I'm Yash.
We are
the Jungle Kings team. We have designed a game that teaches us negotiation, problem solving, pattern recognition, and spatial thinking. It's where the players compete to become king or queen of a jungle.
It is based on the elements from the Indian folktales and the Panchatantra.
Our game was inspired by Dungeons and Dragons, which is used across the world to teach soft skills.
In this 21st century, the demand for essential skills like problem solving, negotiation, and pattern recognition has surged. Conventional methods such as training seminars fall short, but games, especially board games, offer a promising solution. Introducing Ruler of the Jungle, a tabletop role playing game designed to meet this demand with an Indian context. We interviewed DTM Rohit Koka, an expert in soft skills. We also spoke to teachers and surveyed our peers. Most peers expressed interest in learning soft skills through games. Many of them have not played games with an Indian context. We decided to design a game using elements from folk tales and the Panchatantra. We designed a game board, and used the 3D printer to make animal markers. We printed the game board on a flex sheet and made elements of the board by hand. These elements indicate what players can expect at different points in the game. Our kit contains everything necessary to play the game: food and water tokens, skill, achievement trophies, dice, pawns, animal figures, instructions, jungle masters, manual, specific cards for checkpoints, the elements to be placed on the board, and most importantly, the game board. To play, set up the board, create characters, and roll the dice. At every checkpoint, there will be a challenge to solve. If you solve a particular challenge by demonstrating a skill, you will earn a trophy. The game aims for a balance between excitement, education, and creativity. The game is versatile, allowing multiple plays with different characters, characteristics, and jungle masters. Interchange checkpoints and narratives for a new experience each time.
I, Samiir, did most of the research. I, Yash, and Ishan did most of the models. We hope that our game helps everyone practice soft skills while having fun.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.